Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to remove tape and extensions and how to take care of your hair after you have removed them. First, you need 90% liquid alcohol, a spray bottle, a tail comb, and a brush. You're gonna start off by brushing the hair and starting at the bottom and work your way up. Spray the alcohol onto where the tapes are sandwiched together. Make sure to spray enough alcohol. The bond between the tapes should fully break off before you can remove them. If it doesn't, like how it happened here, then spray a bit more and leave it to soak for a few minutes and work on another tape. As you can see, they slide right off. In case they get stuck on the mids and ends of the hair, just brush it gently. It's natural to see a few hairs stuck on the tapes. It's because our hair naturally sheds daily. You are going to remove all the glue from the tapes, then you will wash and style them. Now grab your extension tape. You can either get it from Amazon or a beauty supply store, and you are gonna retape the extensions. After the extensions have been prepped, it's time to take care of your scalp. Brush your hair after you remove the tape and add essential oils like rosemary, mint, and castor oil to your scalp in mids and ends of the hair. Massage the scalp for 10 minutes. Now wet the hair and add Olaplex number 3 to the ends. Wait another 10 minutes, then follow with shampoo. Do at least 3 shampoos, then follow up with a hydrating mask. That's it guys, this is how you can remove your tape and extensions at home and how you can reuse them. Thanks for watching.